Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making Meyer lemon pancakes. These quick and easy pancakes are perfect for a lazy weekend morning. Let me show you guys how to make them. And now if you only have regular lemons, don't worry, you can totally use them in this recipe too. So first we're going to add 113 grams of salted butter into a small pot and melt over the stovetop. Now if you guys want to melt this in the microwave, you can totally do that too, either works. Once the butter is completely melted, just remove it from the heat. Next, we're going to grab a large mixing bowl and add 191 grams of all-purpose flour. Then we're going to add in 28 grams of cane sugar. Then 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And then a quarter teaspoon of salt. And now we're just going to whisk it together until everything is combined. So next we're going to add in 3/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of Meyer lemon juice, which I have right here. And so if you guys don't have Meyer lemons, you can totally use regular lemons for this recipe too. It will still be delicious. We're going to add in 1 large egg. And then last we're going to add in the zest of 1 Meyer lemon. Then you're just going to whisk together to combine this completely. Now we're just going to add in all of our melted butter and whisk it together. And so this last part is totally optional, but if you guys want a little bit more vibrant lemon flavor, then I recommend using a little bit of organic lemon flavor. And I'm just using Frontier Co-op. This is what I use at my bake shop all the time to give desserts and pastries just a little bit extra lemon flavor. And if you guys are using regular lemons and not Meyer lemons, you can even use a little bit more because the regular lemons are going to be a little bit more tart. So now we have a beautiful pancake batter that is ready to cook. So now you're just going to heat a large skillet over medium heat. And the trick to knowing when it's ready for pancakes is to add a little splash of water. If it bubbles, then it's ready. Then you want to add a little bit of butter or cooking spray. And we're going to measure about 1/4 cup of pancake batter per pancake. Then we're going to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, flip, and repeat with all the batter. And so once our pancakes are done, I love serving these with some fresh blueberries and some maple syrup. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more breakfast recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.